thought that I could be this cool. No, you didn't think that I could be this cruel. I don't mean to be mean, but I'm just gonna ignore you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you my nighttime routine. And I just wanted to start off by saying that this video is not sponsored. I truly believe in the Estee Lauder products. I will say that I have freelanced with them, so I did get to work with the brand and work with the company. I got to know a lot about the products, and I truly believe in them, so I'm excited to share them with you. So on days where I'm like very lazy to take off my makeup, I would just use the Neutrogena makeup wipes. But today we're gonna start off using the good stuff. So I have my hair up, and I'm going to take my lashes off first. Ooh, that one ripped off. I'm gonna start off by using the Advanced Night Micro Cleansing Balm. Just gonna grab a good chunk. I'm gonna start massaging it into my skin. And this stuff not only basically like dissolves your makeup, but it's also gonna pull out any dirt or pollutants that have gotten into your skin. And it feels so good on. It's so soothing, and it's gonna have like a nice chamomile and lavender scent to it. And this is kind of comparable to the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm, but this one's nice because it has that micro cleansing in it, so it's actually going to pull the dirt out of your skin also. Yeah. Wow, I look so crazy. Next, I'm going to take about 6 damp cotton pads. You really only need like 6 or 7. Oh my god. And then you're just gonna wipe it around your face and get everything off. This feels so good. It's like a little mini facial for yourself. You could wash it off under the sink too, but I don't know, I'm not a big fan of like washing my face under a sink. Like, I'd rather just like sit in my room and take my makeup off. And my skin's already starting to look like so bright and hydrated. Like, oh yeah, my skin feels so smooth already. Next, I'm going to use the Estee Lauder Micro Essence Skin Activating Treatment Lotion. And you only need about 3 drops of this. And you're just gonna press it into your skin. This will allow the rest of your product to reach deeper into your skin and into the dermis. And next, I'm going to use Estee Lauder's Holy Grail product. This is the Advanced Night Repair Synchronize Recovery Complex 2. And this is a serum, so you have a little dropper in there. You only need about 3 to 5 drops. And then I'm just gonna massage it into my skin. And then next, I'm going to use their Daywear Eye Cream. I'm just going under my eye and along my orbital bone. I'm just using patting motions because you don't want to pull on your skin, especially under the eyes, because that can just lead to wrinkles further on. The last product I'm going to use is actually one of their new products, Revitalizing Supreme Night Cream. You only need about this much. This much is actually probably kind of a lot. And this has a thick texture to it, which I love because that's going to give your skin so much more moisture overnight and while you sleep. First I massage it in, and then I kind of hug it into my skin. Alright, so I'm going to read the description for the Revitalizing Supreme Night Intensive Restorative Cream. It holds key building blocks of life: calcium, potassium, vitamin C, amino acids, and omega-3. It is ideal for targeting multiple signs of aging, dryness, dehydration, dullness, and loss of radiance. So this is my nighttime skin routine. It's actually pretty easy. It'll only take you about 5 minutes. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and I will have all my socials on the bottom.
No, you never thought that I could be this cool. No, you didn't think that I could be